Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using Matplotlib. In today's video, we'll learn how to create bar charts. And with bar charts, we have two types of bar charts. The first one is horizontal and the second one is vertical bar charts. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start importing the required libraries. So import numpy as mp, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now, to view a bar chart, we need two values, one for x and one for y. Our x value will be np array, so np.array, and the values will be symbol list, so a and b and c. You can add as many as you want. For y, it will be also np array, so np array, and the values will be, let's say, 5, 3, 8. All right, now it's time to create our bar charts. We do that by calling the plt object or class, and we say plt.plot and not plot bar chart. So plt.bar chart, and the bar chart will have x and y values, and finally plt.show. Now let's run. And wait, y is not defined. Do you mean y? So I have capital letter, small letter mismatch, and here's our bar chart. To make it horizontal, we just add bar chart dot, or without dot, just bar h. So bar chart horizontal. Let's run. Wait for it, and here it is. Now you can see C is 8, A is 5, B is 3, and there's few things we can do with bar chart. So we can do something like, let's say here, if we are working with a horizontal chart, we will need to define height. So height equal maybe 0.2, and this will change the height of the bar chart, as you can see here. But if we are working with vertical one, so just normal bar chart, we need to declare, I think it's declare the width. So width should be 0.2. Let's run, and you can see now. Now, the final thing I want to show you before ending this video is how to change color. So color equals to red. Let's run and wait for it. Here we go. So A, B, C. So that's it basically, guys, for me. Today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you have any question, please drop them down in the comment. I will be there to answer them for you. And for me, I will see you in the next video.